Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today is Tuesday, so we've got Terminator Tuesdays and we're going to do issue 91 of Build the Terminator. Not a lot to do in this issue, to be completely honest with you. We're just working on one of the sort of pistons again for the left leg. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, let's get started. So basically what we need to bring across, we need to bring this part here and this part here. And what it wants us to do, we're just going to put some glue around the rim of this part here. So I'll get some glue out onto my little tray. I'm going to need a lot in this issue. No screws today though. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're just going to bob some glue just on here. Don't need to completely saturate it in glue, just enough to make it stick to the other part. Plus the fact I have to be careful with glue because I just seem to tend to get it absolutely everywhere. So carry on. Okay, so the next bit we need to do, got this part here and it wants us just to push this into place just like that. Right, so the next step we need to do is we need to bring this bit over, and all we're going to do is we're just going to slot this through up here just like that. Turn the page of the magazine. Like I said, not a lot to do today. And then we've got this bit here, and it's asking us to put some more glue around the edge of this part, and then we're going to be bobbing it onto this bit that's rolling away down my desk. So let's get going. I just need to put a dab more glue in my pot. There we go. Doesn't take a lot. Just trying to get it down, but it honestly is looking like I'm hardly putting any on when I do it. Probably I'm okay, but okay, I've done that now. And we're just going to place this onto here, push it down into place, and that is it for this stage or issue 91. So basically we just made another sort of, I call these pistons because that's what I really believe they are. Some people say it's the magazine say it's muscle connectors, but to me they're pistons, to tell you the truth. Not really muscle connectors. So that's issue 91 done. Well, that was an incredibly quick issue. Glue one bit, put it on, put a bit through, glue another bit, put it on. Yeah, that's all that can be said about the Terminator. Very quick issues and not a lot to do in them, to tell you the truth. But then we do get the odd occasional issue where we have got quite a bit to do on it. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, again, we're in lockdown, so stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.